Hi, I'm Nicole from Davis Fences, and I would like to talk to you today about post caps. Oftentimes, customers spend a lot of time deciding on the style of fence that they like, and they often overlook the post cap, which can bring a lot of style to the design of your fence. Today, I'm going to show you some Fence Armor products. It's a new product available to us, and these are their post caps. Here is their standard post cap. And what you have the option of is with these finials, there's 6 different styles that you can choose from. And they're very simple to install. They just click over top of your fence post. But then if you wanted to change your finial out, very simple, just unscrew it. You can purchase new ones from Fence Armor and reapply it. So if you're like me and you like to change your fence post caps, like you like to change your hair, it's easy to do.